Dear learners, Namaskar. I extend a warm welcome to all of you to this online course available on MOOC. Today, we are here for a brief introduction to the subject of Indian Economy 2. The Indian Economy 2 course covers sector-specific policies and their impact on India's economic indicators, development and challenges. It aims to equip students with analytical and critical thinking skills for improved employability and entrepreneurship. I once again welcome you all with the anticipation that the course will help you to know the entire concepts of Indian Economy 2 and wish you all the very best for the entire cruise of learning through massive open online courses. Thank you for joining this course and I look forward to an engaging and enlightening learning journey together.